I am sharing the recipe of Chou-Layer Oreo cake. So this cake I am going to make it without using any oil, butter, but it tastes really fantastic. Now let's take a look at the recipe. I have taken here Oreo biscuits. So these are totally 20 Oreo biscuits and this is vanilla flavor. So you can use any flavor of your choice. So now what we need to do is, we need to break the biscuits and put it into a blender jar. So basically we need to make powder out of this. So at this time I am going to add just about 10 biscuits. So we are going to blend these biscuits into 2 batches so that they get blend nicely. So here goes the first batch. Now let's blend the other biscuits. Okay, and now our second batch is also ready. Perfect. Now let's keep this aside. We'll just give it a mix. Alright, so this is done. To this we'll go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. We'll give it a mix. To this next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And just about a pinch of baking soda. We'll again mix it well. So once the baking powder, baking soda and the powdered sugar is incorporated well with this mixture, we'll go ahead and add 1/4 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. So if you're not comfortable using milk, you can even go ahead and add water to this. So I'm adding about 1/4 cup of milk. And mix it nicely. So you need to adjust the consistency according to your preference. Just make sure you don't make it too much thin. Okay, so this is done. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chocolate essence. This adds a really great flavor to your recipe. Do try it out. If you have vanilla essence, you can even go ahead and use vanilla. And we'll mix it again. Alright, so this is done. Now we'll transfer this into the cake mold. So here I've taken a cake mold and I've aligned this cake mold with the butter paper. Now let's transfer this mixture to this. Well, basically this cake won't rise up more, so I have preferred a small mold for this cake because the amount of the baking powder and baking soda is less in this cake. So always prefer a smaller mold. Well, we'll now bake this cake on 180 degrees Celsius in OTG oven for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Hey guys, subscribe to Flavors from Nikki's Kitchen and hit the bell icon. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much. Till then, cook unique in a smarter way.
Our cake is now baked. So now let's insert a toothpick into it and we'll check. So the toothpick comes out clean. It means the cake is baked. We'll now cover this cake with a cloth and we'll allow this cake to rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. It has been about 15 minutes and the cake has been nicely cooled down. So now let's take it out. Perfect. So now we need to demold the cake. So I'm just taking a plate and just flip like this. Tap it from all the sides. Wow. So we just need to take out this butter paper. Awesome. And you would notice it has been nice spongy from all the sides. Okay, so what we need to do is we'll divide the cake into 2 layers. So I'll just take out this thing, I mean the dome portion out of it, just to make it equal. So we are not going to basically throw it, we are going to use it. Alright. And now we'll divide the cake into 2 layers. Like this. Perfect. Well, so here I have a cake board. So now we need to place the cake on this. We'll first add some whipped cream to its base. So here goes the first layer of the cake. Place it nicely. To this we'll add some sugar syrup to keep it moist. Not more, only slightly. So this is optional. If you don't want to add this, you can truly skip it out. Next goes a thin layer of whipping cream. So this is heavy whipping cream. Just spread it. As this is Oreo cake, let's add some Oreo chunks to this. Then we'll place the final layer, that is the second layer. So I'm just making a simple design to this. As it is Oreo cake, we'll add some Oreo chunks here. Some choco chips. Some sugar balls, and finally some chocolate shavings. So if you want some Oreo biscuits on the top, you can add. This is optional. Here our 2-layer Oreo cake is ready. It looks fantastic. It has got a nice topping of whipped cream, then some choco chips, then some Oreo biscuit chunks. Awesome. So if you like this recipe, do give this recipe a big like. Also comment, share and do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Till then, cook unique in a smarter way.